I know how to do. Rolling gets me places.
Ahead, Joe gives the audience relationship advice.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Hi. Come on, Bug.
Let's get you crawling on video. Pajamas are not nice. Look, we got a puppy. Where's the twins? You can scooch. You have to have the other arm up to scooch.
I gotta roll. That'll get me there. You're not making any ground. It's stayed here, and you're not getting closer to it.
You roll on top of a puppy.
The puppy's unfazed.
What are you doing, little girl?
Contemplating.
Oh, there's a puppy there.
At least she pulled up the blanket, not the puppy.
What are you doing? What's your plan?
That was an interesting move, wasn't it?
What's he gonna do? Hold the puppy's tail and kick him? Doesn't seem very nice.
There's the kitty.
He's just cuddling with the puppy.
We've got a dragonfly, a puppy, and a kitty, and now you're stuck. Now you're stuck.